Hey guys, I'm Vivek and welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's video, I will tell you that how you can draw complete portrait using cross hatching. So I hope you know that what cross hatching is. If you do not know, then you can see in this image. So according to this image, and as you can see, when we draw lines from two or more sides, it is called cross hatching. So friends, I have given you a little information. Now we will go toward our drawings and show you by doing it. I will use two lines to make a freehand outline as I have been doing from the beginning. So if I wanted, I could have made an outline beforehand and then cross hatching on it. But maybe you guys get very little learning, so I will make an freehand outline from the starting and also cross hatching on it. I have already made a video on how to draw freehand outline. If you want, you can watch that video first and then you can watch and continue to this video. So this video was more than 1 hour in real time, so I time-lapse it so that the video is not too long. Now you see how I create an outline and I will slowly hatching on it. As you know, when you make a portrait, you have to do the shading there, and you do that light to dark. Here also we apply the same process. Hatching is done where there is a dark area, and it is left where there is light area. see, I have completed it with HB pencil so far. If you want, you can change the pencil for dark values. You can use 10B, 8B and other dark pencil for hatching. There are dark areas, so I will also use 10B dark pencil for it. Now I will be hatching some dark areas with the help of this pencil, such as the lower or upper part of the eyes, the shadows and the beard or mustache. So friends, I hope that you like the video and you have learned something from it. If you like the video, then you will tell me by comment, and if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel now. Guys, meet with you with a such interesting video Till then, keep learning, stay safe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.